Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the Goodie Box. What I really enjoy about this month's box is this little like trim over here, or edge, or whatever you want to call it. It's really beautiful. I do think the Goodie Box has really good thoughts about the box, and you know, the effort that they put in these boxes is amazing. So let's open it up and see what is inside the box. So we got the little booklet right here, and then we got the green paper, which completely matches. You know, it's March, it's pretty much spring, so I understand why they would go with the green, and there we go. This is the inside of this month's box. Okay, we've got a lot of stuff. Let's just start with one of the biggest things. Oh my goodness, the booklet is falling. This is from Nailstyling Natural and Organic Protective Conditioner. Oh, okay, this is really cool. So this is a conditioner. Now, this is what the little sucker looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see that on the camera. I'm not really sure because, like I said a million times before, when I look in the little viewfinder here, there's like a white wash. So I can't really tell if y'all see anything or not. But this is really cool. I really enjoy like hair products that we get in here. Oh, well, there you have it. It smells really nice. And now there is stuff coming out of the bottle. I'm just going to place the bottle over there and not touch it until I'm done with the video. It is a full size, yes, and it costs €11.95. Okay, moving on to something else that is in here, which is from Unani, still don't know how to pronounce this. The Dermo Defense Face Mist. Didn't we already receive this fella? I think I actually have the exact same one in the drawer. If that is the case, then clearly this one will be in a giveaway along the way. Kind of sucks. Not gonna lie, kind of sucks that it's in here. It is a full size and it costs €16.95. Okay, moving on to something smaller, which is the Ritual of Namaste Purify. It's Rituals, isn't it? Yes, it's Rituals. That's really cool. I love Rituals. This is velvety smooth cleansing foam, moringa and holy lotus. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and you know, a cleanser is always great to have. This clearly cannot be a full size. It is 30 milliliters, and no, it's not a full size. It is $12.50 for 125 milliliters. So let's say this is about 1/4 of the product. It is a cleansing foam, so I will have to check and see whether or not I can use it with my dry/dehydrated skin, because it's a foam, and foams with dry skin don't go well together. I will have to check that out, but if so, oh, I cannot wait to try this out. Okay, we got 2 more items in the box, and the box is empty. Okay, let's see. Let's start off with this little box. Relentless Matte Lip Crayon. It's a matte. I don't use matte, so I'm not going to use this. This is from Duce, and it is in the color 405 Winter Berry. Why do we get a winter color? See, it is definitely a darker red color. Why do we get that when it's springtime? I don't understand. But let's slowly open the box, because I know for sure I'm going to give this away, because I do not use these matte lip crayons. I'm not going to open it because I know I'm going to give this away. So this is what that little fella looks like. Hopefully it's not focusing on my face. But yeah, I'm definitely going to give this little sucker away because I don't use it. Let's see. It's the first one. It's a full size. And it costs, the Duce Relentless Matte Lip Crayon costs €19. Okay, last item in the box is this a mascara? This is from Gosh Serum. Wow, that's growth serum. The secret of longer lashes. Longer lashes and only, we just, and I mean just, in the StyleTone box received a like growth serum thing from Quick Fix or Quick, something with Quick in the name, but we just received one, and now I received another one. This one is from Gosh. This is what that fella looks like, and again, I'm not gonna open it. I'm kind of over these growth serum things because I just don't see them working really. I don't really use them, so I'm definitely gonna give this away, and that's why I'm not gonna open it. It is, whoa, it says over here, the Gosh Growth Serum costs €29.99. I'm sorry, I said this in the StyleTone video. I'm gonna say it again. You gotta be freaking crazy to pay that much money for this. Again, if you do that, you do you, honey. More power to you, but hell no, I wouldn't recommend people doing that. Okay, guys, that was the box. Looking back at it, damn it. Like, okay. It's a good box. Same thing which I said with what I said with the StyleTone box. The variation in these boxes is great. It is good. My favorite thing in this box is definitely the conditioner. I'm definitely going to give that a go. And the Rituals cream. Wow, blah, blah, not cream. Cleansing foam. If I can use that on my skin, that's a big if. So actually, out of all of the 5 items, what I know I'm definitely going to use is the conditioner. The face mist I already own, so that one's gonna go away. The growth serum, we literally just received that, and the matte lip crayon, it's a matte, I don't use matte. So those items are gonna go away, and if I can't use the Rituals cleanser on my face, then that one's gonna go away as well. I'm just gonna be honest and say I do not like paying 20 bucks for this box, because this box is 20 bucks. And out of all the items, actually receiving one item that I can actually use, and I believe that item wasn't even 20 bucks. So, yeah. Now, of course, I do realize that this is very personal. Now, in this particular case, the box, it just isn't good. Honestly, it hasn't been good for a long while. But that is clearly for me personally. I do know a lot of people love this box. The thing with these boxes is what I personally see, for example, with the damn growth serum, like we literally, last week, just received a growth serum. How the hell do we receive yet another one? I don't think it's mere coincidence that this one box thought, hey, let's put this in, and then the other box thought of the exact same product. Now with mascara or with, I don't know, a lip product, I know, you know, it's overlapping because those are like kind of the standard items that you could receive in the box. But a growth serum is definitely not a standard item that you could receive. So I personally find the coincidence a little bit too big to say, oh, it just happened. I don't know what is going on with these boxes, but I said it a million times and I'm gonna say it again. If one box did it, don't put this shit in your box because we already received it. Now, I will immediately say and admit that if you're not subscribed to other boxes, it's perfectly fine. But y'all know that I have 4 boxes and it's really annoying for us as subscribers to get basically the same items because we pay for both boxes and we don't, that's not all like how can I say this, a tremendous amount of money, but I will be honest and say all of these items I would happily trade up for just one MAC lipstick that I can buy in the store and probably get a lot of sample size things with it. So, you know, and that's, I guess, not just for me, but for a lot of other subscribers as well. It's kind of like, do we go on with these boxes and get shitty products, or do we just unsubscribe from this box and just go out to the store and buy an actual item that we're really happy with? So I do think personally that these boxes honestly don't really care. They don't use our feedback that much. The problem I have with the StyleTone box is not just mine. There's a lot of people out there. I hear it and see it in the comment section under my videos a lot, and not just under my videos, but also on their own social media, and the same thing goes for the Goodiebox. I love the Goodiebobox when they started out, but now I'm just like, the brands are all basically the same. You know, they started off with a bang. We had like Star Skin, which is something that we definitely did not have in any of these boxes. They literally started with a bang. I love this box because it was new. We had new brands, we had new items. And now, personally, I just think this box is the same as any other damn box out there, and I'm kind of done with it. For the people that say that I yap too much and that I'm kind of bitchy towards these brands, hell yes, it is my money that is going there. The same as your money is going there. You're not going to be happy if you get shitty items. Now, of course, it's fine if you get one shitty box, you know, or just a box that you're less happy with, I guess, once in a while. But this has been like consistently month after month after month after month. So yeah, just my personal opinion. Maybe you love the box. Once again, if you're not subscribed and this is the only box that you have, this is a great variety. It just sucks for me that I'm probably just going to use one, maybe two items out of the entire box. Like, I could have bought these items separately. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to keep an eye out on my channel because the giveaway is going to be uploaded really soon. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!